Is not the eye of waking and the dreamer one? When you wake in the morning, do you not say, I had a dream last night? But you do not think the dreamer of the dream differs from the eye of waking, do you? So the eye of waking and the dreamer are one. Now when I was a boy, I would say maybe 8 years old, this thing lasted until I reached the age of puberty. He would come to me once a month, and I could tell the day that it was going to happen. I knew from the mood that possessed me, and I could not shake it, and it used to scare me near unto death. But I knew that the minute I closed my eyes at night in sleep, this is going to happen. I became the ocean and the wave. The conscious waking self was the wave. And the deep of my being was the ocean. And the deep of my being would take me the wave and toss me into the air. And that scared me, frightened me beyond measure. And then catch me on its back, or its bosom, call it what you will. And night, all through the night, this would happen. Once a month. Read the 42nd Psalm. Deep calls to deep at the thunder of thy cataracts. All thy waves and thy billows have gone over me. Well, that happened to me every month for a period of about 3 or 4 years. And then it stopped. I did not know then, at my tender years, what it implied, what it was trying to get over. But here, the promise was the two shall be one. Eventually, the two, the ocean and the wave, will merge. They are one. This thing you see speaking to you, like the being that reflects you when you look into the mirror, you are the sent into the world of death, and you are the sender. And the sender is the Lord God Jehovah. You are sent into this world to experience death, for you are immortal. You cannot die. I tell you, do not fear this waking death, for we see it all around us. For I tell you, you cannot die. I know that from experience. When night after night I encounter those the world calls dead, and they're not dead at all.